5 months ago, my wife and I returned to Montreal, our hometown, for a 1.5-month visit. Right before flying to Perth, I spoke to my cousin about our future travel plans. So the plan is Ria's gonna go to Bali, then we're gonna go to the Philippines, and we're gonna travel, and then we're gonna come back to Canada.
Yeah.
That's the plan. So we gotta follow through on it.
Future content.
Yeah. Well, I'm here in Bali for a whole 2 weeks. Ria will not be meeting us, and my wife Ling won't be here either. Good morning. Yeah, that's me. Yeah.
Sorry, I have information for you. You stay until Sunday?
Yes.
Yes, we have
Okay.
the menu special Silent Day. We have the breakfast for the American, English, Continental, and then we have smoothies.
I think I'm just gonna go with this one, package 1.
Yes, maybe
Yeah.
you want menu packet.
Yeah.
Preparing before Silent Day for
Yeah.
the breakfast for you.
Package 1, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. For Nyepi, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Nyepi for
Yeah.
the Bali.
All the restaurants are closed,
Oh
or?
no, maybe a restaurant open the pool
Okay.
and room service, but
Okay.
in restaurant is closed. Room service and the pool
I
open.
see. In the town, everything is shut down.
Yeah.
Okay. So everyone will just stay inside and
Yeah.
pray and meditate and.
Yeah, because in the Bali maybe.
Okay, so first order of business today, the very reason why I'm even in Bali to begin with is to apply for this Australian tourist visa. You can only apply for this offshore. So what most backpackers do, they would either fly to New Zealand or they fly to Bali, which is what I'm doing, and apply for this visa offshore. Okay, so I just applied for this ETA maybe 30 minutes ago and I already got a response. It's been granted. There's no reason why it shouldn't, but when you've already made plans and you've already booked accommodations and car rentals on the east coast of Cairns, it kind of adds a bit of pressure because if this didn't go through, we'd have to cancel all of those bookings and lose hundreds of dollars. So thank God, that's gonna be a huge relief for Ling as well. The tourist visa will only take effect once your existing working holiday comes to an end. Whew. That's all I wanted to see right there. Granted. So now the only thing that remains is for Ling to go to New Zealand, do the exact same process, and get that grant as well, so that on the 2nd of April, we will be reunited, the lovers, in Cairns. It is a typical hot and humid day. 39 degrees with humidity, but I'm just gonna explore the villa right now and I see a pool, so I think I'm gonna take a cold dip. This is exactly what I needed in this hot and humid climate. Alright, as chance would have it, my old housemate from Perth, Darren, is actually in Bali right now. He's here with his partner. So he's headed to this authentic traditional Indonesian food and beverage location, the Hard Rock Cafe in Kuta. So I'm gonna call a Gojek, which is Indonesia's Uber, hop in that thing and zip on down to Kuta. So this is actually the first time I'm actually setting foot outside of the resort in the day, and I see a lot of white people. I think there's more white people than Indonesians out here. 23,000 rupiah, which is the equivalent of about $2. Hi there.
Hello.
I'm Mark.
Are you Mark?
Yeah. Thank you.
To Hard Rock Hotel, Bali?
Yep. Yeah. Kuta. Yep, all good, man.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
Wow, that was amazing. $2.30 Australian dollars for the equivalent of an 18-minute ride share. They're already here. So yeah, cheers, man. What's up, buddy? How you been, man?
Yeah, good. Sure.
See ya. Good, good.
This is Karen.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Anything else?
Could I get another one? Another bintang? Cheers. Chip, chip. You know what? I've only had Indonesian food twice. Once was on the airplane, the other time was here at the Hard Rock Cafe, and it was the bomb. But look at this beach. Alright, I just bid farewell to Darren and his lovely lady. I'm now at the beach where I'm probably gonna get harassed to buy a bunch of hats, massages, and drinks, which I'm not against. I could always use a hat, I could definitely always use a massage, and there's always time for a drink, especially if it's an ice cold bintang. But Ling, it's bintang beer though. It's bintang beer. I don't know if it's stronger, or maybe I just have become a lightweight because I don't drink as much.
I just got off at Claremont.
Me and Darren had a good laugh about taking pictures of all the food that we're enjoying and all the drinks and how you're missing out. But Darren said that he's coming to Canada, or he's planning a trip to the States in 2025. So I told him, don't be a stranger. And I hope Ling will be there. How bad would it be if in 2025 he comes to visit us in our home country and Ling's not even there? Because she had less than 6 months left on her passport. Her own country didn't even want her. The only difference is that now you actually see tourists riding the scooters.
Right.
Yeah. This isn't the place to learn how to ride a scooter. This is like the final boss.
Exactly.
You don't just pick up the controllers and just jump straight into this. All right, time to hydrate. I was telling Ling that when I was walking on the beach, all the light-skinned tourists had people coming up to them trying to sell them wooden carvings, massages, henna tattoos, drinks, and all that. Yet nobody was coming up to me, and then I realized it's because I look like one of them. I think people are trying to avoid me because they think I'm gonna try to sell them something, even though I'm a tourist just like you. But it's great because nobody harasses me on the beach. It's lovely. So I'm gonna call a Gojek scooter to pick me up and drop me off at the hotel. 70 cents for this ride. All right, if I film? All right, let's go. Thank you. There you go. Woo! And here we are. We're at home. Home sweet home. So
this is the local drink here.
Local drink.
This is Miggy. This is
Jackie.
yeah, Ken and
Joshua.
yeah, Joshua. This is the local spirit that they drink here. Yeah, mix it with Coca-Cola and it's good times.